Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick review of the upcoming collaborations. Come on with me, guys. All right, so I absolutely love doing these collaborations. I love to see you guys joining in. I love that everybody comes together and we watch each other's videos. And remember, some of us are still waiting for watch time. And a lot of these collaborations are fun. So we're also, we're doing it for watch time, and we are meeting people that join in. I am going to be inviting other people to come into these collaborations in between my schoolwork to try to join us, guys, because there's a lot of us that are new. Of course, there's a lot of us that are already have high numbers, but there are a lot of us that don't. And so with that being said, if you guys have any ideas of any other different types of collabs you want to have, just let me know. In the meantime, I'm trying to come up with some really nice and exciting things that we can do. So I'm planning already for February. So let's go ahead, get a piece of paper, get your coffee, whatever it is that your favorite beverage, sit down and write these down and participate in them, not just for yourself, but for everybody else, because we're all growing. I'm still growing. So we're just trying to grow, and we're just trying to help other people to grow. And not only that, remember, it's so much fun when we come together and just really enjoy a nice playlist. Okay, so I just wanted to say that. Let's get started. So here we are on the 13th. So as I'm speaking to you right now, I have the Foodie Grocery Haul collaboration that's already running. The playlists are always posted in the community tab. They're very easy to access. As soon as you get to the community tab, then copy and paste the playlist in your description box. If you're over in Instagram, you can go ahead and you will always find the playlist there as well. So we have the community tab, and then we have the chat room. If you're not in the chat room, send me a message and I can add you. If you are on Instagram, you pretty much always have it in my community tab, guys, because that's where the videos get released anyway. But again, if you're not in the chat room, I'll be more than happy to add you on there. So as we speak, as I said, the Foodie Grocery Haul is already posted there. I believe there's about 4 of us that have a video there today. I love the Foodie Grocery Haul, guys, because many of us, we live in all these different places. We usually say how much we're spending. It doesn't matter if you get delivery or if you get online, your groceries online. We show the items that we bought, and then sometimes we'll show the receipt of how much we spent. And that's pretty cool, because if you're going to different areas, you'll see, wow, this one spent less and this one spent more. So it's we really enjoy the Foodie Grocery Haul. So if you haven't participated in that, you might want to, because we go grocery shopping anyway. Let's move on to the next one. So tomorrow will be January 14th, and January 14th is Tablescape Tuesdays, and Tablescape Tuesdays is my favorite time of the week. I absolutely love Tablescape Tuesday, and we do have a guest this week. So Tablescape Tuesdays is the only collaboration that I release at 6. It was my first one, and I started at 6, but all the other ones I release at 7. So Tablescape Tuesdays has a guest, is Decorating with Jazzy Green, and the theme is winter white and silver. So I hope I can do that one. I gotta see what I have. Okay, so let's move on to the next collaboration. All right, and remember, if you don't have certain items to do your video, we always improvise. I have never left anybody out of a collaboration that doesn't have the items. we always improvise the items if we don't have them, so don't ever worry about that. So let's go over here to January 17. So January 17, we have Styling My Way. I absolutely love that, guys. You can take any item of your home and style it somewhere. There's nothing fancy or in particular about Styling My Way. That's what makes it an awesome collab. You can decide to take something, a floral arrangement, a DIY, a decoration piece that you bought at any store, or you're just changing out decor. You can refresh, reset, and any area of your home and just record it, upload the video. So this particular one, I have been putting themes on these because it makes it more fun. So Styling My Way, the theme for this month is hearts and roses, and I absolutely love that. So that means that whatever your favorite color of roses or hearts that you like, that's what you're going to go ahead, that's what your theme is going to be. So that's going to be really fun. I'm looking forward to that one. Styling My Way is at 7 p.m. on the 17th. And the theme is hearts and roses. Hosting this collaboration is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's myself, and design with Emma. I also have co-hosts, and they're going to be on the thumbnail. Okay, so we're moving on to the next one. So this one is really nice and it's fun, and I do it every January. This one here is called Vintage Valentine, my Vintage Valentine. And you could either DIY vintage stuff, or you can decorate with, or you could do both. You can go ahead and DIY something vintage, and vintage just means old. Could be something that was handed down to you. It usually involves lace and pearls, and it's just so dainty, and I absolutely love that collaboration, my Vintage Valentine. So I usually like to do some vintage decor in my DIYs, which I've been releasing quite a bit of DIYs, guys, so head on over there and watch those videos because they're mostly step by step. Okay, so on the 18th, we have my Vintage Valentine DIY open collaboration, but it is DIY or decorate or both. So I'm very excited about that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some, because apparently my last video, the music was a little bit too loud. I was probably tired and forgot to lower it when I was editing. Totally forgot that, guys. And so I'm going to go ahead and give you the next two. And this is for next week, okay? So don't forget that on January 20th, we have the winter, Styling a Winter Cloche collaboration. At the very beginning, I didn't have a cloche. You could go to the Dollar Tree and you can get a mesh waste paper basket, and you can turn it around to make a rustic farmhouse type of a cloche. And so somebody had given me that idea. I'm sharing that idea with you. And you can also manipulate that basket and shape it any way that you want, which is pretty awesome. And then display something there that you want to display. Well, we're in the middle of winter, so it could be a winter theme. It could be a Valentine's Day theme. It really doesn't matter how you decorate your winter cloche, so long as you are happy with that cloche. So it says here, Styling a Winter Cloche collaboration on the 20th of January at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm very excited about that. Let's move on to the next one, because this one I'm really excited about as well. Excuse me. January 23rd at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Candyland Tier Tray collaboration. Now, how fun is that? I am so excited about it. Don't know how I'm going to decorate mine yet, but you could decorate. It's called Candyland, guys, so you can decorate in your pastels and candy, and you can pretty much use a tier tray for absolutely anything. I cannot wait to see your videos. Please join in this collaboration. It's going to be a fun collab. And again, it's called the Candyland Tia Tray Open Collaboration, and the hosts are going to be on the flyer. So make sure that you see who's hosting with me on that flyer. I'm going to be posting that again very shortly. And so those are the collaborations for this week and next week. I am very excited about that. Now remember, we also have Tablescape Tuesdays on the 21st at 6 p.m. That one is freestyle, so we don't want to overlook that one, because that is every Tuesday. So it's Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6. That one just happens to be freestyle because the next one, remember, we are celebrating Amethyst Adventures' birthday, and we're doing that with Purple Passion. So I am getting ahead of myself, so let me stop. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.